Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the essentials. Download the Windows 11 ISO and verify its checksum, then install the latest Virtualbox and matching extension pack on your Mac. Once done, make sure hardware virtualization is available. On Intel Macs, enable VTX in firmware settings, and on Apple Silicon plan an ARM build or use a compatible image. You must also free disk space and close heavy apps. This prevents allocation errors when creating the VM and speeds initial installation. Now create the virtual machine. Choose Windows 10/1164-bit as the OS and assign at least 4 GB RAM. Assign more if you have it. Next, create a VDI disk. Choose Dynamically Allocated and set a minimum of 64 GB. Once created, open Settings, enable EFI, set the chipset and paravirtualization to default, then attach the Windows 11 ISO to the optical drive. You should also enable 3D acceleration and increase video memory. These choices improve installation and graphics performance. Boot the VM and proceed through Windows setup. If the installer blocks on TPM or Secure Boot, use the registry bypass steps during setup to continue, then enable TPM-like features later. After installation, install guest editions or equivalent drivers and run Windows Update to get drivers and patches. Once stable, create a snapshot for rollback. If something breaks, check Virtualbox logs, increase RAM or CPU. Reattach the ISO and verify storage allocation. These fixes resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.